What's up guys, welcome to B.A.M.F Fabricator. I'm Tubal Cain. So I got some questions in the comment section about grinding, and I know what you're thinking. Well, that's pretty simple and straightforward. Although there is a right and wrong way to do it in a sense, or some people just aren't sure on how to get that weld to disappear after grinding them. They leave a lot of grind marks in the metal and stuff like that. So I got this test panel here. We're going to cut this thing in half, weld it, and then I'm going to show you guys how I go about grinding that weld down to make it disappear. So let's jump into the video. So one thing to keep in mind when you're welding, before you grind, you always want to make sure that you're using enough filler rod on there. You want to have a buildup of filler rod on there. That way your weld's not undercut when you go to grind it. You'll never get that to disappear. So what I usually use is 36 grit on a pneumatic angle grinder. I usually go 36 grit and then I'll jump to 80 grit to finish off that weld and make it disappear. So I don't just go and start grinding sideways like this. I grind with the top of my grinding disc along with the weld. So let me show you. So you can see I'm just trying to knock the top off of the weld. I'm really trying not to hit any of the adjacent metal, just the weld. Now I'm going to change it to 80 grit, do the same thing. Now I'm going off on the sides just a little bit. That's okay to grind it on the sides just a little bit. You don't want to go too much and put too much scarring in that metal. Now if we're going to planish this, we want to grind both sides. So let's go ahead and grind the inside too. The inside doesn't matter quite as much, especially because it's a contour panel. So we're going to hit the sides on the inside, but you don't want to go too much because you don't want to thin that metal out. So let's see what we can get done on here. So I'm hitting the sides a little more than I'd like to, or more than I wanted to. So what I'm going to do is, I got a smaller disc, and I'm going to try to utilize that so I'm not banging up the sides with that grinding disc. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's run it through the English wheel. So by running this through the English wheel, what it's going to do is it's going to level out that weld and planish that out a little bit, which is going to help us to grind that even more smooth. So let's go ahead and run it through here. So now that we planished it, I'm going to go over it one more time where I still see some weld. Nice and lightly. Now you can see that there's really no weld. I could barely see a little bit right there and right here. But that might be because it wasn't perfectly aligned. Now when you're welding, you always have to have the panel perfectly aligned. If it's off canter a little bit, you'll never get that weld to disappear. It always has to be perfectly aligned, the best that you could do it, and you'll always have a better result. So Now that we've done the 80 grit, we're gonna go ahead and sand this with the DA with 80 grit. So let's do that. Okay, so I got my mini DA here with 80 grit on it. And notice real quick my grind pattern. It's real thin, it's real narrow. It's not the whole panel. I don't have big scuff marks, you know, going this way. It's real consistent and it's real clean. So that's basically what you want. So let's go ahead and DA this. And now we got 80 grit on there. You can't see that weld anymore. That thing pretty much disappeared. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit lighter sandpaper and we'll sand that just a little bit more. Okay, now I got 180 on here. Let's go ahead and sand this down. All right, I'm just gonna hit it with some Scotch-Brite real quick. All right, guys, there you have it. We ground that down real nice. It looks really good, really clean. You can't even tell that this panel was welded. We made those welds disappear. We don't have any 36 grit scratches. It's nice, it's clean, it's perfect. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, like and subscribe, comment. That always helps the channel. And until next time, see you guys later.